The art of quilling is a very unusual art form, dates back to Egyptian times, and it was called quilling because the original format was to use a feather quill to wrap the material around.
So it's the act of rolling and baking and shaping the little paper strips into the card to create three-dimensional effect. But today we are not using the quill feather, but we actually create our own tool, which is just the needle, and then we can thread the paper through and to create the tie cord, and then relax it and shape it. That's how we do it today.
Our consumer loves the quilling card for a variety of reasons, but most importantly, it's the texture and the feel and the look of the card. It's unlike any other card currently in the marketplace.
And I think people buy our card is not just because it have a nice design or a nice caption, but it's also the heritage of the craft. And most of the time, they don't throw this card away, and they frame them and keep them as a keepsake.
The inspiration for the do-it-yourself kit started when we demonstrated at trade shows. People came by and they were enthralled, they loved it, they watched every step of it, and they wanted to try it themselves.
To buy a finished product is a very nice, it's like a piece of art, but to buy a DIY kit is you have the experience of trying it and doing it and understand how it takes to make a quilling card. And for me, actually, what really intrigued me about this art form is it's like an ancient art. And when we start doing it, a lot of people don't know what quilling is. And the fact that we really passionate about this art is not just only promoting the lost art, but also trying to preserve the lost art as well.